Hello students, in today's session of probability, class 12 mathematics, basics will be cleared through NCERT exercise 13.1. In earlier session, we have gone through these which you can review on YouTube channel SethiSwiftLearn. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding conditional probability. Conditional probability. P by F, P by E, and more. It is requested. Session is going to be very, very important for CBSE board exams. It is requested. Go through the session completely. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल SethiSwiftLearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is, given that E and F are events such that P equal to 0.6, PF equal to 0.3, P intersection F equal to 0.2, and we have to find P over E over F and F over E. Right? Concept applicable in solution. Conditional probability. Conditional probability. PE over F is probability of E when it is confirmed event F has occurred, and that is equal to PE intersection F upon PF. Right? That is N intersection F upon NS divided by NF divided by NS. This goes to, we can write it, N intersection F upon NF also. Similarly, PF by E. Conditional probability of F, event F, when it is confirmed event E has occurred, that is equal to PF intersection E upon PE. जो event confirmed है, that is to be put in denominator. Right? Now come to the question. We have to find PE over F. PE over F, that is equal to PE intersection F over PF. Substituting values, substituting 0.2 divided by 0.3. 0.2 divided by 0.3. That is 2 by 3 is the answer. And PF over E will be equal to P intersection F upon PE. That is 0.2 divided by 0.6. 0.6, that is 1 by 3. One answer is 1 by 3, one answer is 2 by 3. Right? Next question. Question is, I have let PA unit B. If 2PA equal to PB and equal to 5 by 13, PA over B is given to 5B. Simple. We have to find PA unit B. That is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. This is equation 1. Right? Now, let PA equal to X, PB will be equal to 2X. PB will be 2x. Then PA over B equal to PA intersection B upon PB upon PB. PB हमें given है 2x. PA over B is given to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 equal to PA intersection B is not given to you. PA intersection B upon PB. PB कितना आ जाएगा? That is 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Therefore, PA intersection B equal to 2 by 5 into 5 by 13. That is 2 by 13. Now this is known, this is known. From equation 1, PA, PB is 5 by 13. We have to find PA union B. PA union B will be equal to PB is 5 by 13. PB is 5 by 13. This 5 go this. PA intersection B 5 by 13 minus 2 by 13 plus PA. PA will be equal to half of PB, that is 5 by 26 plus 5 by 26. Taking LCM, 26, 5 plus, this comes out to be 5 plus 10 minus 4, 15, 11 by 26. 11 by 26. Therefore, PA union B comes out to be 11 by 26. This is the answer. This is PA, this is PB minus PA intersection B from equation 1. Right? Now question. Question is, determine E over F. A coin is tossed 3 times. Where first part is he had on third toss, hats on first 2 tosses. Sample space of 3 coins. 3 coins. We will go to H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T. Then T, 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 H, T, H, T, T, H, H. This is the sample space of 7 coins. Then E is the event. NS equal to, this is the total sample space. NS equal to 2 to the power 3, that is 8. E is the event, at least had on third toss. H, 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 T, H, T, T, H, T, H, H. N equal to 4. F is heads on first 2 tosses. Heads on first 2 tosses. थर्ड में कुछ भी है H, 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 T, then H, H, T. NF is 2. Now any intersection of is H, H, H. That is any intersection of equal to 1. Therefore, PE over F equal to NE intersection F over NF. NE intersection F is 1 divided by 2. This is the answer. Right? Now second part. Second part is at least two heads. E is the event at least two heads, F is the event at most two heads. This is the sample space 2 to the power 3, 8 elements are there. तो N कितना हो जाएगा 7 एक्सेप्ट T बाकी सारे एलिमेंट्स आ जाएंगे. F एट मोस्ट यानी 2 हेड्स भी हो सकते हैं और 3 हेड्स भी हो सकते हैं. 3 हेड्स वाला ये ले लिया HHH HHT HTH then THH. Then we have to find NE intersection F. E intersection F में क्या आएगा? इसमें एक्सेप्ट T that is the E. HHH HHT HTH THH at least 2 head. इसमें ये रह जाएगा that comes out to be 3. That will be HHH HHT and THH. Right? उसमें 7 रहेंगे. Therefore, P E intersection E over F will be equal to NE intersection F over NF. That is 3 by 7. Right? Next part. Now part third. Part third is E is the event at most two tails. At most two tails means 2 भी हो सकते हैं, 1 भी हो सकता है और no tail भी हो सकता है. No tail भी हो सकता है. यानी कि only 3 tail वाला that is except triple T. Therefore NE कितना हो गया 7. Complete space except triple T. Right? And F is the event at least one tail. Means 1 भी हो सकता है, 2 भी हो सकते हैं, 3 भी हो सकता है. इसका मतलब except HHH. Except HHH. तो NF कितना आ जाएगा? That comes up to be 7. Now N E intersection F. एक में ये एलिमेंट नहीं है, एक में ये एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो बाकी बचा 6. So that comes out to be 6. You can make it. I am explaining the things. Therefore, PE over F equal to P intersection F over PF, that is N E intersection F over NS divided by NF over NS, as I have discussed already also. That is 6 by 7. This is the answer. 6 ही हो गया, 7 ही हो गया. Answer is 6 by 7. Right? Next question. Question is determine P E over F when coin is tossed 3 times, where E is head on third toss, heads on first 2 tosses. We will discuss the question one by one part. Part 1. Sample of those 3 coins is HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, TTT, TTH, THT and THH. These are the 2 to the power 3, that is number of elements, that is NS. Number of. Now make the sample space for event E. Event E के लिए head on third toss. Head on third toss में if this is favorable है, this is favorable, this is favorable and this is favorable. That is HHH, HTH, TTH and THH. Right? F का sample space बना लिया. F is heads on first 2 tosses. Heads on first 2 tosses. So this is favorable, first tutor से, this is favorable, and another one no. So this is HHH and HHT, right? तो PE और F चाहिए हमें. PE और F means PE intersection F or PF, that is NE intersection F or NS divided by NF intersection NS. सारा कंप्लीट डिटेल में बता दिया मैंने आपको. तो NE intersection F और NF. NF is 1 by 2, 1 over 2, or E intersection F is HHH. So that comes out to 1 by 2 is the answer. Right? Next part. Next part is at least 2 heads and at most 2 heads. Sample space is this one. At least. Least का meaning है move from 2 to maximum. Maximum in this case is 3. 3 heads तो ये हो गए. At least 2 heads. 2 heads हो गए. 2 heads हो गए. And 2 heads हो गए. That is E का sample space जो बना HHH, HHT, HTH and THH. Right? This is the sample space. F at most में decreasing trend लेते हैं और at least में increasing trend लेते हैं. 2 भी possible है, 1 भी possible है, 0 भी possible है. 2 heads. This is. One is this. 2 heads. Then 1 head. H. Then no head. Then this one. Means except this one. Except TTT, all are covered. All except HHH. Right? So NF हो गया 7. NF is 7. E intersection F में क्या होगा? This will be HHT, HTH and THH. Right? This will be. Then this is an intersection of is 3. Therefore, probability E by F will be equal to N E intersection F upon NF. That is 3 by 7. This is the answer. Right? Next part is at most 2 tails. At most means max 2, 1 and 0 tail. At most मतलब number of tails maybe 2, maybe 1 or maybe 0. With decreasing trend, number of tails may be 2, 1 and 0. कोई tail ना हो. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या रहा? At most 2 tails except TTT, all elements of S. All elements of S. N equal to आ गया 7. And F is at least 1 tail. At least 1 tail. At least में क्या होता है? Minimum 1 tail भी possible है, 2 tail भी possible है, एंड 3 टेल भी पॉसिबल है। तो क्या होगा, एफ विल बी इक्वल टू एक्सेप्ट 1 टेल, 2 टेल, एक्सेप्ट एच एच एच, एक्सेप्ट एच 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 all elements of S. Therefore, this will come out to be right. Therefore, E intersection F will be इसमें था accept TTT, इसमें accept था HHH. So number of common elements will be equal to 6. Number of common elements will be 6. Number of common elements will be 6. Except HHH and TTT. That is except HHH and TTT. Right? Therefore, PE by F to N E intersection F upon NF. This comes out to 6 by 7. This is the answer. You can write all the elements, you can do anything, right? Next question. Question is, determine PE over F when 2 coins are tossed once. 2 appears on 1 coin, tail appears on 1 coin and 1 coin shown head. So according to question, first part, sample of 2 coins is HH, HT, TH और TT. Number of elements होते हैं 2 की power 2, that is 4. N is equal to 4. Right? E the tail appears on 1 coin, यानी कि HT, TT, TH. Tail appears on 1 coin. F element हो गया 1 coin short head, 1 coin short head. HH, HT, TH. 1 coin head short. So what is common? E intersection F is 2 and F is 2, that is HT and TH. This is 2. Therefore, probability will be equal to N E intersection F upon NF, that is comes out to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Second part, no tail appears. No tail appears means second part में E event हो गई no tail HH. F events will be no head appears. No head appears TT. तो E intersection F क्या हुआ? Null set हुआ. Therefore probability will be equal to 0. इस first part की probability 1 है, second part की probability 0 है. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, determine E by F, probability of event E when it is confirmed that event F has occurred. It dies from 3 times. E is the event, 4 appears on the third toss. F is 6 and 5 appears respectively in the first row. To find हमने क्या करना? To find PE by F, that is N E intersection F upon NF. Right? Now F का sample space बनाते हैं. 6, 5 appears respectively the first throw tosses. So 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 4, 656, 651, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 656. This is the sample space. NF is 6. Now, to find it, we have to find the intersection. Intersection will be, we have to move smartly. No need to form the sample also independently. We will pick up only because this event has, we have to find the probability of V when it is confirmed that F event has occurred. This has occurred. So E intersection में third event पे 6 appear होना चाहिए. 4 appears on the third toss. 4 appears on the third toss. This is the favorable. 654. 654. Therefore, and E intersection F equal to 1. Therefore, probability P by F equals substituting the value is 1 by 6. This is the answer. इसमें कई लोग स्टूडेंट कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि पहले ई का सैंपल स्पेस बनाएंगे. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. मूव स्मार्टली. फर्स्ट वी मेक द सैंपल स्पेस. दिस इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा तो इसमें और एफ वाले थर्ड इवेंट पे 4 कब आया. दिस इज द थर्ड. therefore we make the intersection equal to this. That comes out to be this. Therefore P by F equal to any intersection of 4 and that is 1 by 6 is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is find E by F. Probability E by F. Mother, father and son line up at random from family picture. E is the event, son on one end, father in the middle. Now, we will move smartly. First of all, we will make the sample space of F. F का sample space क्या आएगा? Because we have to find PE by F. E by F means an intersection F upon NF. First we will make this one, then apply this one, right? F, father in the middle, son, father, mother, and mother, father, son. ये हो गया NF equal to 2. Now make the E intersection F. Sun on one end. Sun is at one end, sun is at one end. So both are common. SFM, MFS. Right? Therefore, any intersection F equal to 2. Then probability E by F and intersection F over NF. That is 2 by 2. That is 1. This is the answer. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, पहले ई का सैंपल बनाएंगे, फिर एफ का बनाएंगे, फिर कॉमन लेंगे. दैट इज ऑल्सो राइट, बट वी हैव टू मूव स्मार्टली. फर्स्ट मेक व्हाट इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड व्हिच हैज अकर्ड. उसका सैंपल बना, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली पिकअप कर लीजिए ई को, जो न्यूमरेटर में है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली पिकअप कर लिया. दैट इज द आंसर. राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE main, JEE advanced, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examination. These concept clearing videos are very, very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel SethiSwiftLearn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video sessions are available on SethiSwiftLearn YouTube channel, which you can review on SethiSwiftLearn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website SethiSwiftLearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल SethiSwiftLearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is, a black and a red die are rolled. Two parts are there. Part 1. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9. Given that black die resulted in 5. Black die resulted in 5. Say this is the sample space, black and red. First is black, second is red. Red die resulted in number, first part, obtaining sum greater than 9. Given that black die resulted in 5. Black die means N E E space. E is the black die resulted in 5. Black die resulted in 5. तो फर्स्ट हमने ब्लैक लिया, तो दैट इज 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6, right? So this is F. This is F. You have to find P by F. Now, no necessary to find F. E intersection F. E intersection F is obtaining sum greater than 9. Give that greater than 9 में क्या क्या होगा? 5-5 and 5-6. We have to move smartly, no need to form the sample space of E. Find the E intersection F, which is common. So NE intersection F comes out to be 2 or NF comes out to be 6. Therefore, probability E by F will be equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. This is the answer. Right? Next part. Next part is find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8 given that red die resulted in number less than 4. This is the sample space of pair of die. N is equal to 6 to the power 2, that is 36. Now in this case, let red die resulted in 4, less than 4. First is red and second is black. First we throw red and second is black. So F event is red die resulted in number less than 4. Less than 4 means these are the favorable. This is NF. This is F. NF is 18. Right? And E is the E intersection F. No need to find E. Sum 8. Probability of sum 8 when it is confirmed that red die show number less than 4. Red die show number less than 4. तो less than 4 में क्या क्या possible होगा? One will be 5-3 and 2-6. 5-3 and 2-6. That is an intersection F comes out to be 0. Therefore, P intersection F, PO over F equal to N intersection F upon NF. That is 2 upon 18. That is 1 by 9. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने क्या पहले ब्लैक ले ली, कंसीडर कर लिया, फिर रेड ले लिया. सेकंड केस में पहले रेड कंसीडर कर लिया, सेकंड ब्लैक, उसमें इजी टू मेक द सैंपल स्पेस था, देयरफॉर वी कंसीडर लाइक दिस, राइट। ना क्वेश्चन इज if fair die is rolled, consider events E, F and G, sets are given to you, find this. I will consider only this one only, because same concept is applicable. A or B equal to PA over B intersection B upon P D, that is and intersection B over NS. This concept is applicable everywhere. Now, in this case, P E union F and C equal to P E union F intersection G upon PG. That is equal to N E intersection union F intersection G upon NG. NG is 4. 4 elements given to ये हमने find out करना. E union F, that is comes out to be 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 5, and E union F intersection G comes out to be 2 3 4 5. 5 कॉमन नहीं है तो इंटरसेक्शन चाहिए हमें 2 3 5. 2 3 5 is the 2 3 5. Therefore N intersection F intersection G equal to 3. Answer is 3 by 4. Right. Next question. Question is, assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. If a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that both are girls? Given that youngest is a girl, part 1, part 2 is at least one is girl. इसमें सैंपल स्पेस क्या बनेगा? बॉय बॉय, बॉय गर्ल, गर्ल बॉय and girl girl. Right. Now let E be the event. Both are girls. Both are girls. And F be the event. Youngest is girl. So generally I'll make, we have to find P E by F. Probability of E when it is comes that F has occurred. N E intersection F upon NF. So first of all make the sample space of F event. F का sample space क्या होगा? Youngest is girl. यानी पहले गर्ल लो फिर बॉय चल जाएगा, गर्ल गर्ल लो, ये तो बेस्ट है, राइट। तो ई इंटरवेंट क्या बनेगी? द इवेंट बोथ आर गर्ल्स, तो ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ विल बी इक्वल टू गर्ल गर्ल एंड एफ इज 2 एंड ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ इज 1. जल्दी जो न्यूमरेटर ई के फाइंड आउट करने की नेसेसिटी नहीं पड़ती जल्दी, राइट। देयरफॉर PE over F will be equal to 1 by 2. That is the answer. Second part is at least one is girl. F, let F be the event. Be the event. Let F be the event. At least one is girl. At least one is girl. One is girl में क्या होगा? Boy girl, girl boy, girl girl. And F आ गया 3. और F event क्या है? Event both are girls. तो N intersection F will be, E intersection F will be girl girl. Therefore N intersection F will be 1. This is the sample space of F. Therefore PE over F equal to 1 by 3. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, an instructor has given a question bank consisting of 300 easy type true false, 300 easy true and false, 200 difficult true false, 500 easy MCQs, and 400 difficult MCQs. Total questions हो गए 1400 questions. Total questions 1400. Easy questions 900, 500, or easy questions will be 3 plus 500, 300 plus 500, 800, or difficult questions will be 200 plus 400, 600. Right? Now we have to define the events. Let E be the event and F be the event. Given question is multiple choice questions. Given question is multiple choice questions. Right? तो E intersection F क्या होगा? Find out क्या करना हमने? We have to find out selected and random from the question. What is the probability that will be easy question? Easy question to be easy. So we have to find easy and multiple choice questions. Easy and multiple choice questions में 500. Easy and multiple question में, और given question is multiple choice question. Given question is multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question कितने होंगे? 900. And F will be equal to 900 and the intersection F will be equal to easy and multiple question. Easy and multiple questions will be 500 common. Right? Therefore, PE by F will be equal to 500 upon 900. That is 5 by 9. This is the answer. Again repeating. Questions लिख लिया, event को define कर दिया. E event is question is to be easy. F is the given question is multiple choice questions. Given question is, so we have to find E by F. So first of all, find this one. Multiple choice question कितने हैं? 500 पर 400. That is 900. Then given question is easy. We have to find the intersection of E and F. Easy and it should be MCQ. Easy and MCQ is 500. So that is the common to both. So 500 over 90, that is the answer. Right? Now question. Question is, given that two numbers appearing on the throwing two die are different, find the probability event, the sum number appearing on the die is 4. Now, in previous question I have discussed the concept applicable. PE over F is equal to PE F over PF equal to NE intersection F over NS divided by NF over NS, that is NE intersection F over NS. Right? This discuss I will. So whatever is the denominator, that is when it is confirmed that this has happened. First make the sample list of this, then find the sample list of E intersection with by common sense. No need to make the sample list of F, it is very difficult to make, right? Now, given that, let F be the event, F be the event, two numbers appearing on two numbers appearing on two die are different. Therefore, F will be sample space except 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. All elements of S. ठीक है, given above. Now, E be the event. E be the event. तो NF हो गया 30. 6 एलिमेंट एक्सेप्ट कर दिए. NF is 30. Let E be the event. Some appears on the die का some appears on die R4. तो क्या बनेगा? 1 3 2 2 नहीं ले सकते. Then 3 1 और कोई नहीं हो. 4 ले नहीं सकते. 5 ले नहीं सकते. तो N intersection हो गई. This is N intersection. This is someone number E intersection of this. This is E intersection of that is N intersection of comes out to be 2. Clear? हमने डिफाइन किया इवेंट एफ. एफ इज एक्सेप्ट दिस जो लाइक नंबर्स हैं डबल लेट है उसको लेस कर दिया. तो एन एफ हो 30. एफ बी द इवेंट सम नंबर अपीयर्स ऑन द टाइप. तो ये इंटरसेक्शन एफ क्या हो जाएगा? इसमें से कॉमन एलिमेंट ले लेंगे 1 3 एंड 3 1. राइट. देयरफॉर पीई ओवर एफ will be 2 by 30. That is 1 by 15. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, consider the experiment of throwing a die. If multiple of 3 comes up, throw a die again. If another event comes, other number comes, toss a coin. Find the conditional probabilities of event that coin shows a tail, given at least one die shows a tail. P by F. And intersection of over and F. This is the conditional probability of E when it is confirmed that F has occurred. Let F be the event. F be the event. At least one die shows a 3. One die shows a 3. At least one die means multiple of 3, multiple of 6. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. This is if the coin shows a tail, at least one die shows a 3. So F will come out to be at least 1. So this will be 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6 and 6 3. This will be F. And F comes out to be 7. E intersection F. E intersection F क्या होगा? Find the condition for the coin shows a tail. Let T be the event. Coin shown a tail. Shown a tail. From above, it is clear. E intersection F. And E intersection F will be 0 because in F event, second die is thrown and number is noted. So that will be 0. Therefore, P by F will be equal to 0, 0. That is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, if P equal to 1 by 2, PB equal to 0, and then PA by V equal to 4 options of PA by V, PA intersection B upon VB. That is, PB is given to you 0, A intersection whatever it may be, right? Answer will be not defined. C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SethiSwiftLearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.